how do I link devices in my diagram? Okay, so how do I link? How do I make connections from device to device in the diagram? First of all, just a reminder that in your organization library here, in your icon libraries, you have manufacturer icon libraries. So everything that you need, anything that you need to build, the devices that you sell are listed right there, easily accessible. We have as well my library. This is where I keep my own devices, things that I saved to my library. So I have, for example, a duplexer here that I'll bring out, and a antenna, and let's put a repeater right here. So we have a few devices out here on the canvas. The question was, how do you connect these devices? So first of all, you want to look to the view options in the top right corner here, and there is a ports view. And when I click the ports view, I see the different ports here on the devices. So this repeater, for example, has these slot 1, slot 2, the transmit and receive ports. So I'll just go ahead and click, drag, and it automatically sticks to the transmit on the duplexer here. So the TX to the TX, simple as that. Just click on the RX here, drag, and it clicks the RX there on the duplexer. So basically, to answer the question, it's as simple as turning ports view on, click, and drag. That's how the connections are made.